Hi, today I'm going to discuss about spoken English. Most of us desire from our heart that if we could speak like the person who is very much fluent and who is respected everywhere for his skill of spoken English. And after considering these things, we become hopeless because we think that we never can be the person like him or her. So we never start or we never get the courage to speak in public or to speak with someone face to face. That's why we stuck at a point and we just suppress our desire, we body our desire to be a fluent speaker, and we adjust or sacrifices many of our dreams. But let me share with you a secret. First of all, yes, just think that yes, you cannot be like that person. You cannot be a fluent speaker. Accept this truth. Then what next? You give up. You never try. And you just bury your dreams. Do you agree with me? Do you want these things to happen in your life? If not, then what next? The next thing is that just try, just start. Many people may laugh at you when you are speaking for the first time. You may have to feel some embarrassing situations. You may feel sometimes dejected for your silly mistakes. And even in the worst condition, you may stuck when you're going to speak something. But think about what next after these things happen with you. What next? If even then you push yourself ahead, you keep practicing, you keep trying, then day by day, your confidence, your knowledge will fetch you to your desired goal. It will drag you what you deserve. So why not try? Why give up? And there are some tips how to avoid these embarrassing situations. First of all, suppose you stuck at a point where you wanted to say, you are not supported by the relevant words, but nobody knows what you were actually thinking. So you can take your time, take a deep breath, just to look that you are contemplating, you are thinking something, and just try to complete the sentence with any relevant word. It may not be the one which you were actually thinking in your mind. And take a deep breath, start afresh, just concentrate on completing your sentences. Okay, and even if you cannot complete your sentence, take it easy. Start a new sentence and say some simple words just to continue your conversation, and then you will automatically find the words. Actually, what happens whenever we are stuck, we feel so much embarrassed, so much uneasy, that our nervous system totally blocks our cognitive minds. But if you take it for granted that as we are not native speakers, so sometimes we may stuck, sometimes we may make some mistakes. These are very common, and the person opposite to you will understand this problem. And even then, if you can start again, then obviously you will be the person whom you actually want to be. So that is the secret. There is no perfect time to start. Just start now, and there is no one perfect in this world. You can speak better English than the Englishman who tries to speak Hindi or any other Indian language for the first time. So there is nothing to shame. Okay, It's a globally accepted universal language, and if you can use it, then of course you can uplift your lifestyle. You can communicate with the world. You can communicate with larger sections of people, exploring new opportunities waiting for you, what you deserve. Thanks for listening me. I expect that you will comment over this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that I can upload more and more videos for you. To get instant notification, please press the bell icon, and the links of my previous videos are in the description box. You can check them also. You can visit my channel. Any advice is welcome. I am also not very much good. I studied in my vernacular language, which is Bengali. So I am not good enough in this language, but even I think I can share with you some of my own thoughts or experiences. Thanks again.